Hi everyone, good morning. This is Anna from HotOptionBabe.com. I have on the screen a screenshot of Google, and Google's earnings are out this week, and there is a 15-minute, and here we have a daily. Sorry, I had a big Easter thing last night. Drank a little too much. Anyway, so Google's earnings are out on Thursday, and let's take a look at the charts. Looking at the charts, you can see that it's come way off of those highs that we saw not that long ago, 653.49. It's down here, 626.5. I believe that's what it is, pre-market. I could be wrong. Yeah, well, it's actually 627, 628 bid, but it's pre-market, so you can see it looks like it's going to try to bounce here. And it couldn't get above this cloud here, this Ichimoku cloud. Now, for earnings, I'm going to go out on a limb. And right now, I think that they're probably going to beat. Okay? And just according to the charts, it's getting a little oversold on the daily. Let me see what the daily looks like. Remove that yearling marking. Okay. I'm going to say, just by looking at this, that it looks like it could be bullish. Now, it's definitely, it's definitely not for the faint of heart to do earnings. And this is why I choose a butterfly. So let's go over and let's say I am bullish on Google for earnings. Say it goes up 8%, maybe 670. Let me take a look over at the trade bar here. So I probably go, let's look at all the, now these are the strikes, and what you're doing is you're buying a butterfly, you're buying a call if you're bullish, you're selling 2 calls in the middle to offset the cost, and you're buying a call above that for protection. Okay. Now, let's say I think it's going to 660. Now, I'm probably not going to use $5 strikes. Say 660. 660. Now, this may change by Thursday, but right now this is what I'm going to look at: 660, 670, and 680. Okay. So you see what we've done here. We bought, and I'm going to do, for the sake of teaching, I'm going to do one. Oh, come on. Okay. Now, so I buy one Google April 660 call. Okay. Normally, that would cost, and remember, you're going to pay for volatility too. That would cost you between $930 and $960 right now. Okay, so that's pretty expensive, especially if you're wrong. It gets very expensive. So we're going to go with the 660 instead of paying the 960. We're going to sell 2 out of the money higher 670s, and then we're going to buy 1 for protection. Okay, because if you bought the 1 and just sold the 2, it'd be a ratio back spread, and you would actually probably have a credit, I believe. I have to go over that. It's early morning, but you actually would have a credit, but then you'd have a lot more risk on. So, but this is what I wanted to show you on the butterfly. So let's take a look at this and see what it looks like on a graph. Okay, what does that look like? It looks exactly, if you look into things like I do, there's a wing, there's the body, and there's the wing of the butterfly. Okay, there's your debit, 60 cents. If you're right, okay, and this, like I said, this could all change in a few days, depending on where Google is on Thursday. And generally, I buy it the day of earnings, the butterfly. But you can see, just for teaching's sake, 60 cents debit, you take the debit, minus it from the strikes, which is $10, and you have a possible $9.40 return. So you see how profitable they can be. It can be very profitable. You just have to pick the right, get the right direction, and you want Google to be at or around 670, okay? But even if I made $5 per contract, that would be, risk 60 cents to make $5. It's a no-brainer. So if anybody has any questions on that, just email me. I know this is sort of a fast video because the market's getting ready to open. Okay, so we're looking at the ES. It looks like it's going to turn down here a little bit on the 15. We got some key levels to watch here, okay, on this daily chart, and that will be 1370 is what I'm looking at. Either 1375 or 1370. It looks like we're getting a little bit oversold, so I would not be surprised to see the buyers come in right after the market opens. So I'm going to leave you with this video for right now, and if you have any questions about butterflies, condors, broken wing butterflies, I'd be more than happy to help you with that. Just email me at info@hotoptionbait.com, or if you're interested in joining. Thanks a lot. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon.